YouTube monetization requirements. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you must meet these criteria. For full monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. And additionally, you must follow YouTube monetization policies, no active community guideline strikes, enable two-step verification. You need an active Google AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel, and of course, live in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is available. There is a second option, early monetization access. You can unlock some features earlier with 500 subscribers, 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, and 3,000 watch hours last 12 months, or 3 million shorts views last 90 days. This gives access to fan funding, super thanks, super chats, and memberships in some regions. This information is from YouTube Creator Support and Help Center documentation, and all links you will find in the description. That's all. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.